The wife of the late Enugwu Ukwu born footballer and former Rangers international player, Mr. Christian Chukwugeku Isiadinso, Madam Uju Egolum Isiadinso of the Programs Department, Anambra Broadcasting Service, ABS, alongside the entire Isiadinso family, friends and well-wishers have paid their last respects to the deceased who passed away at the age of 64 years. Correspondent Emmanuel Okonkwo was there and now reports.
All Practical Christian Ministry Enugwu Ukwu and the immediate past chairman of Pentecostal Fellowship of Nigeria, PFN, Enugwu Ukwu chapter, Reverend Emmanuel Okolo, reminded Christians of the need to amend their lives and to quit sinful lifestyles which, according to them, will hinder one from inheriting heaven after life on earth. In their various interviews, the first daughter of the deceased, Mrs. Nneamaka Umezine Isiadinso, and second daughter, Lady Chioma Isiadinso, described their late father as unique and exceptional person who throughout his lifetime valued his family and those around him, promising to uphold all the legacies he left behind. For the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of ABS, Mr. Christopher Molohu, Chairman, House Committee on Works and member representing Orumba South at the Anambra State House of Assembly, Honorable Emanwafo, former MD of ABS, Chief Uche Nwora, and an ex-Rangers player, Mr. Arthur Ebunam, the family of the deceased should be consoled by the good life and legacies he left behind, and should always trust in God in times of difficulties.
Verse 18, verse 21, see the issue of life and death is in the tongue. Well,
I pray that even in Asia, so I pray that
who's gone to the great beyond lived a good life. Death is a debt everyone must pay.